Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. Isn't it a beautiful day outside? I am so excited because I've got this delicious ice cream cone and I've got a brand new video to share with you. Let's watch.
Last one to the pond is a rotten acorn.
Hey, bring back my kite. Hey, watch it.
What's up, little bro? Why aren't you racing?
Gabe, look. That bird is taking our berries. Doesn't he know this is my garden?
That's a bluebird, and it's his garden too.
But this bluebird wants all our berries for himself.
I wonder why one bluebird needs so many berries.
I don't know.
Only one way to find out. Follow that bluebird. Tweet, tweet.
Whoosh. Tweet, tweet. Where'd he go? We let him get away.
Shh. If we're quiet, we might hear him singing. Bluebirds love to sing. Over there.
Where are you going with our berries, bluebird? Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Gunther, we'll never get our berries back if we scare him away. We have to be gentle with the bluebird.
Oh, okay.
Maybe he'll come back if we sing to him. Like this. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Gabe! Another bluebird with more berries.
She heard us singing.
Aha! Gotcha!
Look, they want us to follow them.
Let's go! Tweet, tweet, tweet! They went in that tree with our berries.
Now's our chance. Remember, be gentle. Gunther, look!
Baby bluebirds!
Shh! That's why they needed so many berries. They just wanted to share with the baby bluebirds.
Oh, wow, wow, wow!
It might be tricky to get your berries back now.
That's okay. I want to share with the babies too.
Isn't that nice? The bluebirds take care of each other, just like me and you. Here, do you want to turn with the kite?
Really? My turn?
Yeah, it's only fair to share.
Last one to the pond is a rotten tree stump.
That ice cream sure was good. And so was that video. I'm gonna go find my friend Justine the Ladybug and show her the video too. Have a great day, Greenie Beanies.